Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 29. A, sir, nil. B, no, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, even though we have discussed a bit yesterday with regard to this question, but in the course of response at A, it is unfortunate that there is no proposal under Khelo India and Ribhoi district. In the course of response at B, sir, even though yesterday in the question hour, the response is that the proposal is under Khelo India, but today it is no. Anyway, I would like to get a positive response and a categorical response from the Honorable Minister, because the proposal for the playground at Chinchana, Pam Siem Nongpo, is very important, being a district headquarter, and at the same time, there is no standard stadium in Ribhoi district as a whole. So I would like to request the Honorable Minister, the Honorable Chief Minister, to take on priority for the proposal, be it from central sponsored scheme, be it from the state scheme, but this improvement and the construction of a standard playground at Pam Siem Nongpo will be considered on a priority list. I would like to get a categorical response on this.
Mr. Speaker, sir, so the answer to start question 29A. So if you look at the question clearly states that sanctioned under Khelo India. So an proposal we have sent, sir, but sanction is yet to be received. So I've answered according to the questions and sanction it is. And sir, like the honorable member has stated that under Ribhoi, sir, so the proposal that was sent under Khelo India, so we've already sent, but the proposal is for artificial athletic track, sir, not artificial football turf. That we have sent under Khelo India, sir, and we're still waiting for the approval, sir.
So my question number 2, whether the sports department under consideration for sanction for other improvement of playground within Nongpo constituency. The proposal I have sent even in the past also, like improvement of the playground at Umden, Sao Nongbri, Kebet Nongbri, Pahambir. This is the proposal that have been sent in the past, so I would like to get a response whether the government is intend to consider within the current financial year.
So the proposal that has been sent for the football ground at Umden, the estimate was made and it was sent for approval, sir, on the 22nd of November 2022. However, sir, this proposal was not approved due to budgetary constraint. And now, sir, the estimate has to be recast by the chief engineer and sent for approval again. And sir, regarding the Sao Nongbri football ground, sir, estimate has been made and will be processed shortly. And the Sokhwai, developing of football at Sokhwai Sports Association, sir, estimate and approval and proposal has been approved, and tender will be called shortly, sir, in this few months. And the playground at Kebet, sir, estimate is under preparation and will be submitted shortly.
Thank you for that response, sir. So for the interest of the people of Ribhoi, because we understand one of the beautiful man-made field, natural field is already there in Kurkalang, Huerumbong, which has been inspected by the sports department quite a few times in the past. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister whether the improvement or the construction of a sports complex Madanpur Kalang Bherembong, Riboh district, which is very near to Umroi Airport also, which is for the best interest for the sports infrastructure in our state. Because in days to come, if any big sports event that our state will be hosting, it will be an asset for the state. So I would like to get a response whether the construction for any sports complex in Kurukalang Bherembong will be considered.
Mr. Speaker, sir, for the Madan Kurkalang at Riboy district, so we've sent this under the second list of Khelo India, sir. Send this for approval. And yes, sir, it's there. But this is yet to be approved, sir. And the same list, we've sent so many proposals, but all of these are yet to be approved, sir. And Madan Kurkalang is one of them, sir.
So for the interest of the people of the state as a whole, we have seen the construction of Jawal Nehru complex in Polo is under construction. We would like to know when it will be completed and what are the new facilities have been made for the benefit of our sports person, the state as a whole.
So the JN Stadium at Shillong, sir. So the physical progress is we're at 85%, sir, of the phase 1. And the phase 2 we're at 20%, whereas the financial progress we're at 75% for the phase 1, and for the phase 2 we're at 0%.
May we know the facilities and the new facility coming up in this complex?
So the facilities, I don't have the information with me right now, sir. And for that, sir, I require notice.
Last.
Yeah, your last question.
Yeah, under Khelo India or any other central sponsored scheme or state sponsored scheme, we have seen many talent have come up in our state. Footballer like the ex-legislator of this August House, Eugene Sun Lengdo, another prominent football player from our state has come up, which has brought laurel to our state. I would like to get a response from the Honorable Minister whether the department have any intention to increase more grassroots training center at different towns and cities within the state. There are many grassroots training centers now, but I would like to get a categorical response whether in days to come more grassroots training center for children below 12 years, below 14 years and 16 years will be there increased. And if there is, I would like that one more center for grassroots center will be created at Umden. This is my
Mr. Speaker, sir. So under Khelo India, so we have this for grassroots programs that you've mentioned, the honorable member has mentioned. So under Khelo India, we have a state center of excellence. So this is the state, sir, where we have 3 categories of sports. Sir. So where we have to identify 90 athletes and 30 from each. That is archery, athletics and boxing, where the ratio is 50-50 boys and girls. Sir. And so at district level, so we have centers at all the 12 districts, sir. So at district level, we have 2 centers each at every district. So in these district levels, sir, every center has to identify at least 30 athletes from each centers at the ratio of 50-50 boys and girls. So, and I think so in Riboy, sir, the Riboy district, so we have 2 centers. One is St. Alfred Secondary School and the other is Minken Christian Higher Secondary School, sir.
That is for athletics. I am thankful to the Honorable Minister and to the Sports Department for being considered. At the same time, my question is with regard to football. Grassroots training center for football. for kids below 12 years, below 14 years, and at the same time to consider a new grassroots center at Unden.
Thank you.
Okay, so-
Sorry.
So so football is also included but on the district level, sir. The ones that I say, the three sports only for the center, like the state thing. But on the district level, football is also included.